This is a 5-minute breath meditation practice for beginners. Meditation can help you relax after a stressful day. You can also use this meditation to begin your day. Study shows that by simply meditating, you will have better memories and able to learn better. So students, this is for you. Now let's begin. All you need to do is to sit comfortably on a chair or on the floor. If you're on the floor, you may want to use a cushion. You may also want to sit cross-legged, but that's up to you. All you need to be is comfortable. Rest your hands on your lap gently. You can now close your eyes. With your eyes remain closed all the time, we will watch the breath. Watching the breath is simple. All you need to do is to channel your attention to your breath. As we start this session, I'd like to ask you to take a couple of gentle deep breaths in and out. Another deep breath in and out. As you breathe out, feel the weight, the tension of the muscle leaving you. That's right. You may now just breathe normally, noting your breathing in and breathing out. Being a beginner, you may feel a little awkward watching the breath. This is completely fine, simply because you are not used to watching the breath. Breathe in and out. Just gently breathe in and out again. As I remain quiet, you may continue to breathe in and out. If you notice that your mind has wandered away, all you need to do is to gently bring it back to the breath. That's right. Every time when you notice the mind wanders away, just gently bring it back to the breath. Remember, there is no need to get frustrated or agitated, simply because that is just the nature of the mind to wander away. All we need to do is to bring it back, bring our attention back to our breath. That's right. You may notice the cool air that you are breathing in and the warm air that you are breathing out. Is your in-breath longer or is your out-breath longer? Just continue to watch the breath, breathing in and out. As we are coming to the end of this 5-minute meditation, notice how peaceful and relaxed you have become. It is good to be able to feel calm and peaceful, isn't it? Feel grateful that you are able to spend these 5 minutes just to allow your mind to simply relax. Our mind works all the time and it deserves a good break from time to time. The practice of meditation allows your mind to have that break. That's right. With a big smile on your face, feeling proud of yourself, you may now slowly open your eyes. Feeling peaceful, feeling great to carry on the rest of your day or the rest of your night. How did that feel? Relaxing, right? Remember, our breath is a tool that we can use anytime to relax. By simply watching the breath, you can immediately feel calmer. You can extend the meditation sessions from 5 minutes to 10 minutes or even longer daily. It will be the best time you spend in your life. If you like, you can also use our guided meditation sessions recordings to guide you for the longer meditation session. If you have any questions, you're welcome to email me at winnie.peng@epicintellect.com. You will find my email address on our website or on the bottom of this page of the video or audio. Thank you for listening and using this guided meditation for your personal development. I'm Winnie Peng, founder of Epic Intellect. I love to hear from you and answer your questions. Till we meet again, be the master of your mind and be the best version of yourself.